morning. Just a little tired still. I woke up at like 5:30. No, I actually woke up before 5:30, but I just kind of laid in bed a little bit. I had wine yesterday, like the first time in a long time, and it wasn't like strong wine. I just had like a glass of wine, and I think because I haven't had it in such a long time, it just made me like really sleepy, so I had to like get myself together. So I'm feeling a little better though. Got up. It is raining today, as you can see. It's really gloomy outside, which I'm not happy about, but I can't choose the weather, so it is what it is. But I'm getting ready to go to kickboxing right now, and I just decided to do a day in the life with me. Gonna be BCBA stuff, Christian stuff, lifestyle stuff. It's just gonna be like a whole motley crew of what my day typically is like, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So I'm probably going to be making one of my favorite breakfast recipes, so I'll probably share that with you guys, and then we'll go from there. So I'm really not aiming to make this a long video, but just kind of putting it out there to see how it fares, and if anything, I will see you guys later, and have an awesome day. All right, well, as you see, I'm in my house working out. I got to the kickboxing gym and they were closed, so I decided to squeeze in a quick workout at home. Then I moved on to watering my plants. I am so over this peace lily, but it is my oldest plant and I will never get rid of her. Here you see me making that breakfast recipe that I told you guys about. This is probably one of my favorite breakfast recipes. It is super easy. It does take quite a bit of prep time, but once you have it, you know that you have breakfast basically for the rest of the week, and you cannot go wrong with this. It is salty, full of protein, full of goodness. I love it. Just absolutely love it. I will share all the ingredients in the description box below. Once you have all your ingredients together, you are going to mix well. Try to get all the ingredients to just blend well together. And then I'm going to pop them in the oven at 350 for about 25 minutes, then hop in the shower. So I'm sharing with you guys some of my favorite bath products at this time. It's winter. I love to exfoliate. So this is one of my favorites right now. Got it from Marshall's. Follow up with my Dove body wash. And of course, I'm using an exfoliating rag. Follow up with moisture, Aveeno, and some baby oil gel. You cannot go wrong. Ash be gone in the winter time. I took out my braids because I'm getting ready to go sit in front of my computer, and I have a couple of Zoom calls. So I want to look as appropriate as possible. Just because I'm working from home doesn't mean I have to look crazy. But here the muffins are. They are all done and they smell delicious. Also decided to just show you guys my outfit. I was feeling a little cute. So my top is from JCPenney and my sweatpants are from Old Navy or H&M. I cannot remember. And those slides that I have on my feet, my fuzzy sandals, got them from Target last year in the pandemic frenzy. Love them. I'm just tidying up the house and spraying some room spray around because, you know, you want to keep the house fresh and clean. I'm using the Mandarin Ginger from Target's line, Everspring, and it smells really good. You should give it a try. for dinner as well as wings. So here I am getting the broccoli. I'm at my local fruit stand, which is really exciting. This broccoli is gorgeous though. So it's kind of pricey for broccoli, but you do what you gotta do to be healthy, right? So broccoli for dinner with wings. All right, guys, it has been such a hectic day. Oh, look at that. The day is finally coming to an end now. I finished work. I'm grabbing some wings for dinner because I do not feel like cooking and I'm just tired. I'm just over it at this point. So we're gonna wrap this vlog up just by saying good night. Thank you guys for spending the day with me, and I will see you guys in the next video.